that perspective. Ambarish's call today, of course, is an ICICI Lombard, which he's already liked, but he's raised his price target here. Well, 35 points higher is what the Nifty will end with. So there is no kind of big 3 p.m. expiry move in that sense, at least not today. But we've got the Bank Nifty, which will also end, I think, largely flat, about 0.19% higher. And broader markets, midcap, small caps, which end with, they're the clear winners. 1.25% in the midcap index, and the small cap index was up 1.33%. So very solid gains in that space. Rima.
Well, that's the highlight of the day, right? The mid-cap, small-cap performance. But in terms of sectors, the Nifty Metal Index was up 1.5%. And in that, names like UPL, Tata Steel, outside of the index, NMDC, which also raised prices, SAIL were topping the charts. PSU Banking Index continues to see buying. The Nifty PSU Banking Index up 1.5% for the day. Week to date, it's seen a rally of close to about 6.5%. Other notable movers include M&M and Eicher Motors. Strength in ONGC continues. This month, ONGC has seen a rally of 8%. On the losing side, Asian Paints is the top loser after Grasim announces a big splash in the paint industries. Coal India, Britannia, HDFC Life, LTIMindtree are a couple of the other notable losers.
Well, those are some of the bigger cap names. Let's talk about the broader markets because that's where the action was. Look at that advanced decline ratio. Today, it's even better than yesterday because you have over 2,100 advancing stocks and just about 750 declining stocks. That's the extent of the move that we've seen. So which are the key gainers? Well, let's talk about where the price and the volume action really comes together. Central Bank of India, 10.5% up on this stock. Name some more PSUs here. NBCC, NHPC gains between 7 and 8% over here. Throw in names like Union Bank as well. So PSU is really ruling the roost. UCO Bank, Bank of India, even an IRFC came back 3%, but nonetheless some gains on this stock as well. So did Ircon, 2.5%. So even the railway stocks, and the correction was just one day, quite phenomenal. Let's move on. Sugar was a sweet spot. So Bajaj Hindustan, Sri Renuka Sugar, EID Parry, all of these stocks have seen gains between 4-5%, going all the way up to 7 and 8% in some of them. So big day for sugar. Beyond that, we've seen some of the names like a GMR Power, GVK Power, anything that has power and infrastructure associated with it. Big moves on these stocks as well, and volumes as well picking up, worth mentioning. And then you also had the likes of some of the steel names beyond the index. Even SAIL was up in about a 3% up move. Nalco was up about 2%. So the PSU metal stocks did well. Last but not the least, let's just look at the final rates coming in on the stocks that Prashant was just discussing with Ambarish. Bombay, Burma, and of course Bombay Dyeing. 9% on Bombay Dyeing. Bombay Burma about 4% higher. Big moves on these stocks as the land monetization plan is well and truly underway. So good moves on mid caps. Big party out there. And yes, indeed, the bell is gone. And we do have our first close above 20,100. So there you have it. 20,000 yesterday, 20,100 today. You know how this market is dealing with momentum.
Okay, on that note, don't go anywhere. Our Thursday special, Big Deal, comes up next.